Here's how you can create an Odoo account. Now this can actually be done completely for free. All you want to do is just open up your browser and search for Odoo. Then click on Odoo Open Source ERP and CRM. Now from here, click Start Now. It's free and it's actually really simple to start your account or create your account. You just want to select any app that you want. Now, if you have only one app, it's free with unlimited users forever. But for example, if you have e-commerce and CRM, then you will get a 15-day free trial, no credit card required. And even then, for all apps, it's only 19 euros and 90 cents per month per user. Now, if you pay monthly, it's a bit more, but it's pretty cheap. But on Odoo again, simply click Start Now, it's free. Then select whichever app you want to use. For example, I'll get the CRM, POS, restaurant, all of these, and click Continue. Then here enter your first and last name, email, company name, phone number, your country, language, company size, and your primary interest. Then click Start Now. And after that, you will get an email where you can verify that it is yours. And then after clicking on the Verify Email link in your inbox, you can then add a password to your account, and then you have successfully created an Odoo account. And then you will have successfully created your Odoo account. So now you know how to create an Odoo account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.